And welcome everybody, COSM stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and let's start. So according to what we want here, absolutely on COSM stock, it's going to be a start of it since it was in 7 March, okay, and it was a value of 3 USD and 78 cents. So if we want here to this price, it's going to be about the price of the 60, okay, cents, and that goes to returning back. What would happen if the COSM stock would makes a spike? It would give us another increase with a small divergence, and that was actually that's going to be on COSM stock, because this is the tradition thing of what would happen if the COSM stock is going to make this thing, and that is going to be the episode that we want. Also, if it reaches the limit of the part that it has profit, it would decrease like this, okay, in the form of ladders, and that's what is actually gonna to be explained on this video. And good luck.